We will now demonstrate how the bat is not only useful for blocking and striking, but also as a tool for transportation techniques and other manipulation techniques of our partner. For example, to break up a sit-in. The first technique is used on a standing partner, who is not trying to attack us, but still resists passively. I put my stick underneath his arm and place it now at the inside of my elbow and grab my other forearm to lock the stick. Now I can apply pressure from outside to inside with my forearm here and in the other direction with my bat there.
Mache jetzt über Druck, der Druck geht hier zum Arm hin und der andere Druck vom EK zu mir als Druck und als Transporttechnik.
And now I can easily transport him. Another possibility is to go underneath the arm into the soft part of the armpit. Now you push the stick upwards and pull the arm downwards.
Den Arm nach unten ziehen und den Druck nach oben simulieren.
These are the two possibilities to transport a standing person.
Dieses geht natürlich auch.
The same techniques work for a sitting person that is passive but does not want to leave his place. I have to bend my knees a little to apply the lock, and now I can force him to stand up and leave his seat. Please take a seat. Also, the other variation with the stick in the armpit works just fine as transportation technique.
Das gleiche wieder, genau. Als Transporttechnik.
At least, we would like to show you a transportation technique using a shoulder lock on the back. Again, we put the stick underneath the arm, the other hand holds onto the tip of the stick, we turn and lock the arm on his back. I will show it one more time. The stick goes underneath the arm, I grab the tip of the stick, turn it and place the tip on his back. So now you saw three possibilities to use the bat for transportating persons by locks or squeezing muscles.